To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Find a soft cloth or other means to protect the face of your Kindle. Begin by using a hairdryer on the back of your Kindle to loosen the adhesive inside the device. Carefully remove the back cover as shown, using the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com. Remove the two screws securing the battery cover and lift to reveal the original battery. Disconnect the original battery. Gently pry out the original battery. Place a strip of double-sided tape into the battery compartment. Place a new extended life battery from newpower99.com into your Kindle. Connect your new battery. Replace the battery cover. Replace the two screws. Replace the back cover as shown. Snap the back cover shut. Turn on your Kindle with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Kindle should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. NewPower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.